man, welcome back to the Flight Deck channel. Today we are welcome back my beautiful people, welcome back to Flight Deck channel. Well, today we're going to take out the sound box and people today. Seeing? Whole 3 column we're going to take out and we're going to gang it with the team and paint it up, brighten up because I know say Mother's Day come up and we're going to play Mother's Day. So we're going to take out the whole 3 column and the team are going to brighten it up, make it look nice, decent and ready for Mother's Day. You see me I say? So stick and tune and watch one go on. You see me I say? And people, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe, share, and like the video, and leave a comment. People make you know say if a video, if a painting look nice or the color look nice. See me I say, yeah man, make you know what go on. So we're gonna gang it now and mash up the thing. Watch what go on. Back to the YouTube channel, brother. See me I say, you don't know say put out some back them or paint over it. See me I say, you don't know say bad idea come out and get ready for it. See me I say, the people, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe to the channel. Comments and make you know what you think about the colour. You see me I say? Yeah man, don't know some Mother's Day come up me 11 like the coat and we'll have a bus park. So, we'll paint up straight on. We'll have back straight on.
Yeah man, in there, you know. And like that kind of construction, you know. Real thing, the boss. When I kill it, man, I came. Big as one time, one thin man, I came. When I hold wicked man. You don't know. That. Yeah, Flight Deck kind of some wicked construction, you know. You know what I mean? But of it, your touch place, Mother's Day also. All of a whole bus park. It go clean, it go nice. You know what I mean? But also wicked too. You know, I like top flight girl and roll out. And don't show things that already, you know what I mean? And that's not wicked hard construction. So when they're great man now. Almost when I found the JT, call them Bor, skills man, them pan, the thing, back painting them man, but I sound man, almost big sis later too, you know what I mean? I go in and sound out, review it and then wait them quick and see, quick look, yeah, you know what I mean? Sound there, and the construction, all more back there, so I'm going, yeah, you know. Where the sound is, very cheap, very stay. You know what I mean? It's a part of it, you know. Some part of what I do already. But inside, you know, people can see. Real place, where the place look. So, you don't know. The thing there. What's this one I can, like your man. Almost one of the top man in a crew. But, you know, almost man, I came. Almost one of the big man in a so I call him almost twice, you know. Second in command. Bigger, one time man, when you're bigger, you come turn thin man now. From
yeah.
And I hold on. That's in that place. You know what I mean? Wanted Flight Deck boss had to fuck up the run. JT almost one of the big man. And the thing. The boss.
We'll come back to the Flight Deck.
We'll come back to it.
So we'll take out the sound today. Paint over the back of the sound, I mean, make it back bright and nice fit. Mother's Day, see me I say? You want so. Comment, like and subscribe people to the video. So, I say, yeah, man.
Rabbit.
You don't know, say, we out there paint up and things. We have a couple more box. You know, stuff you take out. You see me, I say, whole 3 column. Yeah, man, everything I paint up. Whole 3 column, see it? Yeah, man, Mother's Day thing. Mother's Day come up. It's ready for Mama Day. You know what I'm saying? So we're booming, man.